Want to go from Nintendo Marketplace newbie to top seller? Then stick around because I'm about to show you how to get ungated in Nintendo's Marketplace. First things first, understand what getting ungated actually means. Nintendo, like many online marketplaces, restricts certain product categories to ensure quality and protect its brand. Ungating is the process of getting permission to sell in these restricted categories, usually those involving their own products, games, and consoles. Your initial step is thorough research. Head over to Nintendo's official seller information or Marketplace Help Center, or whichever online retailer you have decided to sell on. Search for terms like selling restrictions, ungating requirements, or category approval. This will spell out the specific criteria you need to meet. Expect to need a business license, a sales tax ID, and potentially invoices from authorized Nintendo distributors to prove you're sourcing authentic products. Make a checklist and gather all these documents beforehand. Next, ensure your selling practices are top-notch. This means accurate product descriptions, high-quality images, competitive pricing, and a commitment to excellent customer service. A good track record is key to building trust with Nintendo. Now, it's time to apply. Find the Ungating application form within the seller portal. Fill it out completely and honestly. Attach all required documents, ensuring they are clear, legible, and meet Nintendo's specifications. Double-check everything before submitting. Be patient. The approval process can take time. Monitor your email for updates and respond promptly to any requests from Nintendo. If approved, congratulations! You're now ungated. If not, carefully review the feedback and address any shortcomings before reapplying.